How to secure remote access for SCADA systems. Are you curious about how to keep your supervisory control and data acquisition systems safe when accessing them remotely? This is a vital topic, especially as these systems control essential infrastructure. Let's break down the steps you can take to secure remote access effectively. First, it is crucial to limit remote access to only those who truly need it. This means only allowing authorized personnel to connect. Each user should have permissions that are strictly necessary for their specific tasks. Implementing role-based access control can help enforce this principle. Next, consider using intermediary systems like jump servers or gateways. These act as controlled entry points, isolating remote sessions from the core SCADA network. This setup minimizes direct exposure of critical devices to the internet or external networks. Strong authentication methods are also essential. Multi-factor authentication requires users to provide more than just a password. Typically, it combines something the user knows, like a password, with something they have, such as a mobile device generating time-sensitive codes. Encryption is another key element. All remote connections should be encrypted using secure protocols like virtual private networks or transport layer security. This prevents attackers from intercepting or tampering with data transmitted between remote users and SCADA devices. Consider using time-limited credentials that automatically expire after a set period. This practice reduces the risk of credentials being reused or stolen for unauthorized access. Regular audits and monitoring of remote access logs are important too. By keeping an eye on these logs, you can quickly detect unusual or unauthorized activity. Monitoring tools should alert administrators to any suspicious behavior for a rapid response. When it comes to third-party vendors, manage their access carefully. Vet their security practices and restrict their access to only the necessary components. Requiring encrypted communication channels and include cybersecurity requirements in contracts to hold them accountable. Maintaining network segmentation is another effective strategy. Keep SCADA networks separate from corporate information technology networks and public internet access. Remote access should not bypass these segmentation controls, which help limit the spread of potential attacks. Lastly, apply a defense-in-depth strategy. This means using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, patch management, and strict security policies tailored to industrial control system environments. In practical terms, securing remote access involves configuring network devices, control hardware, and software to enforce these controls. Engineers must balance security with operational requirements to ensure system availability and integrity. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the security of remote access to SCADA systems, protecting vital industrial operations from cyber threats.